Alright YouTube, we are back with another mail time unboxing today. And back with more of these stupid Nike branded shipping boxes, man. It's ridiculous. We'll get into that during the video. But yeah, 4 packages here today. A couple stuff from Supreme, a couple stuff from Nike, a couple stuff from Adidas. So yeah, stay tuned. Mail time is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with another mail time episode. And I got something special for you guys today. I will be ranting the whole video about this Nike packaging, man. This is ridiculous. I really don't like this. I talked about it in the last episode, and it appears that they're just going to keep going with this route, which makes no sense to me. I won't be ranting the whole time, but there will be a good amount of ranting in here, so that is something to look forward to, I guess. But yeah, you guys know how it goes. We'll be unboxing all of this stuff. A lot of personal pickups in here. I'm pretty excited for pretty much all of them, actually. But yeah, let's just dive right into it. Before we get into it though, if you guys have not already, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below. Be sure to hit that like button if you guys do like this video, and if you guys want to watch more videos like this, be sure to hit that notification bell as well. We will be having a lot of giveaways for the month of December because it is a season of giving, so make sure you guys subscribe down below so you guys can see the videos that will be announcing those giveaways. Anyway, let's see what we got in these boxes. First things first, we do have this one from Supreme. I think this is like 2 weeks ago. Everything's kind of delayed for Supreme. Supreme bag, where my box logo stickers at. Here they are, right on cue. 2 box logo stickers. And we have the Supreme Polar Tech tote bag. Yeah, I was able to cop this. A lot of people slept on it. They were going for other things. So yeah, didn't sleep on that. Was able to cop this. Again, done manually. Trust me guys, you guys really do not need a bot to cop this stuff. Like, you guys see my Supreme unboxings every week. I usually get at least one of something, and I mean, they're not all unhyped items. Like, this is pretty hyped. And if you guys look at it close up over here, the Supreme logo is like stitched on there, which is really nice. You can see the Polar Tech branding on here as well. Great cop over here. I'm probably not going to keep this. I'm not a tote bag kind of person, but probably going up. Want this one, check that out, link in the description below. So I talked about in the last mail time that I was not a fan of these boxes right here. I do not like that Nike is basically putting a big target on their boxes by saying, hey look thieves, if you guys want some nice Jordans for Christmas, attack this box. This is the one that has the nice shoes in them. I don't like that. I don't understand why they're doing that. Like, it's cool, like, to kind of like denote your box from everything else, but at the same time, like, it's a huge red flag. It's not very smart. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of these packages all over the place. People are buying for themselves, buying for family members, and it would be super like lame if you guys ended up trying to buy this, especially for like a loved one, and your box ended up getting taxed. Like, that would suck. So I hope Nike like decides to change this, because it's not a smart idea. I mean, for the avid guys that know, you already know this is a Nike box from the tape, but still, like, this is just for everybody. They're gonna know. Anyway, let's see what we got in this box. Alright, so you guys can see right here, this is a Kyrie 5 box. If you guys don't know what this is, it's actually a shoe that I've been targeting for kind of a long time. And the thing is that I really wanted it, and for some reason, like, it didn't sell out instantly like I thought it would, which was kind of weird to me. But it's all good because we did end up securing these, the Kyrie 5 tacos, which are super freaking sick. It has like this camel vibe to it. You guys can see right here. Very, very camel vibe with a lot of hits of orange. Huge Nike swoosh. So this is my first time actually seeing a Kyrie 5. I kind of like the design of it. It looks like a sturdy basketball shoe. Kyries are actually very, very good basketball shoes in general. I love this colorway though. I wish it was like released during Halloween, because, you know, those orange color vibes would make perfect Halloween shoes. But yeah, it's more Christmas season already, so it's whatever. But yeah, this is definitely going in the personal collection. And thank goodness it was not stolen, because I would have been really, really sad. So happy these got here. Hopefully Nike changes it in the future for their shipping boxes though. I told you guys before, I try my best not to pay resale for any kind of shoe, but I needed to pick this one up from StockX because it was just too clean, man. It was just too clean. Pair of canaries, maybe? I don't know. Let's take a look. Moment of truth. What do we get? What do we get? Ah, sorry guys, there's no way I'm copying the canaries. It's just too expensive, and like, I think it's cool, I think it looks nice, it's unique, but I'm not gonna get caught up in that wave of hype where I'm gonna spend like $2,000 for a canary yellow Nike SB. Tiffany Dunk, which is somewhere in the back over there, was like one of the first shoes that kind of inspired me into sneakers, and so seeing a Tiffany Dunk re-release was something that I just really wanted. So if you guys look over here, it does have that like removable swoosh, which is pretty dope. For the rest of the shoe, it does feel pretty solid. Resale did come down quite a bit for these, which is nice because I did not want to cop it for 200 bucks, but for like 130 or 140 or something like that, was worth it to me. So yeah, this is going in the personal collection. A lot of personal pickups today. So the last box is actually from Adidas, and as you guys can see, there's no branding on the box, so +1 for Adidas. And we do have a pair of Yeezy 350s. These ones are in a size 4. And actually, I did already open up like a size 11 off camera, which is my size. I couldn't wait. I really wanted to open up the shoe, so sorry it's not on mail time, but yeah, you guys get the picture. And if you guys look over here, these are a pair of the Yeezy 350 Sesames. This one is for the girlfriend, and I got my own size and I already put them on feet because I just couldn't wait, man. And it's kind of interesting because for the Yeezy 350s, I was never big on them. If you guys have followed my channel since day one, you guys know that I'm pretty much been anti-Yeezy. But this colorway just really struck me, man. And just the fact that it's a very neutral color makes it very nice to me. I like that there's no stripe here either. Like, that stripe is what killed it for me on the other ones. Like, it was just, I don't know, it's just trying to announce to everybody, hey, look, it's a Yeezy, and I didn't really like that. So, it's cool they took that off. But yeah, there's like essentially no resale on that, which is kind of unfortunate for resellers. But, I mean, for the guys that really want to wear it, it's dope because you can get it for like dang near retail, which is cool. You know what's funny? I just realized I talked about that entire thing in length, and it wasn't even an Adidas cop. It was actually a Yeezy Supply cop. So that's weird. Anyway, a lot of people were saying too that Yeezy Supply takes forever to ship. I actually got this in like 3 days. So I'm sorry if you guys are waiting for your creams or whatever from what I've been hearing. But yeah, Yeezy Supply, I guess it's hit or miss because it did not take very long for these to come in. Sorry that I thought it was Adidas. I was thinking of the Salt 500s, which I also copped from Adidas, which should be coming in the next mail time. Anyway, that is it for this mail time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love opening up boxes with you guys, just very fun and relaxing for me to kind of share what I got and let you guys know how I got it and how you guys can get them too. A lot of personal pickups. I think everything was a personal pickup except for that tote. There will be a bunch of giveaways coming up. I'm letting you guys know in advance. Christmas season, I love the Ohana. I'm gonna try to give back as much as I can to you guys because, again, we're in this together. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe down below. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!